From the ancient stronghold of Roman poets to one of the most Instagrammable lakes in Europe, Lake Garda has always stood apart. This isn't just Italy's largest lake. It's a place where subtropical plants bloom beneath snow-capped peaks, where lemon trees have thrived for centuries, and where you can sail through glacial waters that once reflected the ambitions of emperors and dictators alike. Today, we're diving into 13 surprising facts that reveal just how extraordinary this place really is. Number 1. Stretching over 370 square kilometers, Lake Garda is Italy's largest lake by far. Its vast size gives it an incredibly diverse personality, from Mediterranean-like beaches in the south to dramatic alpine cliffs in the north. You're never seeing just one lake here. You're exploring an entire region wrapped into one. Number 2. It has its own subtropical microclimate. Palm trees, citrus groves, and olive trees grow here thanks to the lake's unique subtropical microclimate. Even as snow glistens on the nearby Dolomites, the shoreline remains green and vibrant. It's one of the few places in Europe where you can sip wine under a lemon tree with snow-capped mountains just a glance away. Number 3. More than 2,000 years ago, Roman elites like the poet Catullus built villas along the shores of Lake Garda. The ruins of his villa still stand in Sirmione, a testament to the lake's timeless appeal. Imagine watching the sun set over the water, just like a Roman aristocrat once did. Number 4. Lake Garda is fed by mountain springs and glacial streams, which give it stunning clarity and a color that shifts between emerald and turquoise. In the morning light or under the golden sunset, the lake becomes a mirror of the sky, perfect for photography or a peaceful swim. Number 5. Limone sul Garda is all about lemons. This small town's name literally means lemon, and it lives up to it. For centuries, Limone has grown citrus on ancient stone terraces called limonee. You can still smell the scent of lemons in the breeze and visit old lemon houses that cling to the cliffs. Number 6. Lake Garda offers a surreal visual, snow-dusted alpine mountains reflected in a lake lined with swaying palm trees. This contrast makes it a rare gem in Europe, and it's one of the reasons photographers and filmmakers love capturing it from every angle. Number 7. Mussolini's final days played out here. History took a dark turn when Benito Mussolini chose Salo, a town on Lake Garda, as the capital of his puppet state during World War II. Though peaceful now, Salo still carries echoes of a turbulent time, adding a layer of intrigue to the lake's serene image. Number 8. Every afternoon, the Ora del Garda, a steady, warm wind, sweeps across the lake. Caused by air pressure differences between the mountains and the lake's surface, it's so reliable that sailors, windsurfers, and kiteboarders plan their entire day around it. Number 9. The lake feels like two different worlds. The southern half is warm and laid back, with long beaches and resort towns like Desenzano and Sirmione. But drive north, and you're suddenly in an alpine setting where cliffs plunge into deep blue water and towns like Riva del Garda nestle into the mountains. Number 10. Castello Scaliggero in Malsacene is straight out of a storybook. This medieval castle sits on a cliff above the lake, overlooking cobbled streets and colorful houses. Climb to the top for panoramic views, or take the cable car from Malsacene up to Monte Baldo, where you'll go from lakeside romance to alpine wilderness in minutes. Number 11. You can scuba dive through Roman ruins. Yes, you heard that right. Off the coast of Sirmione lie submerged remains of ancient Roman docks and villas. Experienced divers can explore this underwater museum, a surreal combination of archaeology and adventure beneath the calm lake surface. Number 12. It produces some of Italy's best olive oil and wine. The microclimate allows for olive trees and grapevines to flourish. The area is famous for its smooth, delicate olive oil and wines like Lagana and Bardolino. A visit to a local vineyard or olive mill adds a delicious layer to your travel experience. Number 13. It's a cultural stage all year round. From fireworks over the water to wine festivals, opera performances, and sailing regattas, Lake Garda isn't just a nature destination, it's a cultural hub. Towns like Bardolino and Garda come alive with color and energy during the spring and summer, offering unforgettable experiences on and off the water. From ancient echoes to shimmering shores, Lake Garda is a story still unfolding. And now, you know just how fascinating every chapter truly is. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.